Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your profile picture a GIF on Discord. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do first is open up Discord. So you can do this on the app or the web-based version. Today I'll be doing this on the web-based version, but obviously there's no difference. The steps are the same. It's really down to personal preference. So what you want to do is come across and log into your account. And once you're logged in, what you want to do is just get rid of this ad for Nitro, Discord Nitro. So to actually change your profile picture to a GIF, obviously you want to make sure you've got a GIF selected first of all. And then what you want to do is actually come down to use the settings down here. And then you want to click onto the blue edit profile button. And then what you're going to do is just click onto your profile picture here, and it's going to say change avatar. And you'll see you've got two options. So you've got upload file or GIF. So all you need to do is obviously select GIF. And then you can select what kind of GIF you want to go for. So if I just put something like happy and change it to this one, like so, and then click the apply button. And what's going to happen is it's going to give you a preview of what that looks like. If you want to go ahead, then what you'll need to do is actually join Nitro, which is basically like a premium service offered by Discord. So it's like a monthly subscription. But what you can do, if you're happy and you want to go ahead and do that, you would just click the join Nitro button and get yourself signed up, and you'll be able to use this as your profile picture. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.